Hey YouTube, back here. Just wanted to break into this Divo Mini Growler. I want to clean it up. It's been a little bit. I'm going to EDC this one today, so I want to get into it, and eventually I want to sharpen this one at some point. So we'll go ahead and start by taking the pivot out here. Spinning on the other side, but I think, yeah, there we go. I gotta take this one out. But I don't think I have to do the clip. There we go. That was still hanging on by a thread, literally. Yeah, this one's good, but it still has a little rub feeling to it. Has some grittiness in there, so just want to clean it up. Very simple to do. Alright, let's clean these. Make sure they're good. Alright. There you go. Alright. Very easy. Very quick. Alright. So let's put these. Just wanted to clean the bearings, clean the surfaces, lock face, the tang, and that way it continues to get smoother and smoother. I really dig this version here. This is really awesome. This with the satin backspacer. No. Yeah, it's titanium. I'm all using titanium on titanium to check, but this is titanium. Hardware is not. Well, except for, yeah, titanium hardware, except for the stop pin and washers and blade and just stuff like that. But it's pretty cool. I like the carbon fiber one too, but I love the plain Jane look. It just works for me, you know. So that was a toss up between getting that one or this one here. And then the carbon fibers went out quick, so I was like, all right, well, I made my choice up. But yeah, I did have a chance to get either one. I did choose this one on choice. So this is awesome. I love the satin on it with the lines that go down. Just makes everything look good when they're vertically. And then if a good hand polished, it looks good too. But if it's like not done right, it could really come out looking terrible. But these are done well. These are done very well. Alright, so what I'm doing there is just getting the regular off of the tang, because I'm gonna put some in here just while I have it out. And then that was a lot. Alright. Soak a little bit. Alright. Let's go ahead and wipe that tang off again. Let's put the regular away. That's good. That's good. I put way too much on it. So I'm gonna run it down the track, but I also gotta clean it up. Not too much on there, it'll gunk up. So there we go. That'll work. Plus what I put on there. And the regulars on the washers, and bearings, and everything else. Where's my stop pin? There it is. Alright. G10 is perfect, don't need to tune anything at all. Just put it back together. Perfect. Perfecto mundo. Alright, let's put this spigot back in. With the collar. With the satin collar. I wonder what the little pop of blue would look like on here. If I just put from the full-size growler, they do, you can interchange them. I do have kits. I was thinking of, and I have a bronze one or copper or one of those from when I bought the Growler V2, which has, I think it's a different backspacer, but as far as the pivot collar, I have the blues, I have the I think the stone moss, the satin, and that. Yeah, so maybe I will swap those out sometime and check it out. But I like my plain chain, but it's cool. I want to see if a little pop of color on the collar there, so that'd be cool. Have to check that out. But this has been a very, very busy week for the family. So I won't be posting as much this weekend because my niece is having an engagement party this weekend. So I do what I can today. And I'll get back to it. This is my therapy, so boy do I need it. This is what I did. Alright, so everything looks good. Everything's snug. So I'll make everything, ooh, mine come on them direct, straight on, so you don't almost slip like I did there and put a big old scratch. But any scratches happen to this raw titanium is good with me because it gives it character and I know it's mine. Alright, so wow, that's almost right perfect, right where I like it. Almost hit the nail right on the head with the first screw in with that pivot. But let's check something out. Okay, let's back it off a little bit. Still centered. Oh yeah. The grittiness is gone. Clean those bearings. Put lube on the one side, and then just let that detent ball in the hole, you know, recreate or just get through that heavy and run down that track. So yeah, it's not a, you know, guillotine, but it's perfectly how I like. Just a one shake home. Perfect. 1, 2 shakes. Just depends on if I'm lollygagging it or if I'm like just boom, put it in the pocket, you're done. Alright. Well, that was that. That was the cleaning of the Divo Knives growler, mini growler. And I'll catch you on the next one. Have fun, be safe, peace out.